Hello my dear friend, now this video will show you how to use the mask and what kind of function it has. This device has 4 kinds of light to achieve 4 kinds of therapeutic effect ion. It has 2 usage modes. A is automatic mode. Automatically switch between different lights. The total aging time is 15 minutes. M is manual mode. Press switch button for 1 second to turn on the red light mode. Front red light and back red light display. Red light can promote and improve blood circulation, anti-inflammatory and reduce swelling. Pain relief, lightening of dark spots, suitable for all skin types. Press again to turn on blue light mode. Front blue light and back blue light display. Blue light inhibits oil secretion, balances oil, and effectively sterilizes. Treats acne, suitable for oily skin and acne-prone skin. Press again to turn on the near-infrared light mode. Near-infrared mode is more effective than red light. Press again to turn on the multicolor light mode. Front mixed color light and back mixed color light display. Mixed color light gathers a variety of light, sterilization and anti-inflammatory. Anti-aging suitable for all skin types. Press again to power off. Hello my dear friend, now this video will show you how to use the mask and what kind of function it has.